Woo!
Hey everyone, we're back again. The good news is we survived 2020. The great news is that we grew. Since our last raise, the team have been hard at work and the results have been really encouraging. We now have over 1,600 users of the app, accessing over 200 health professionals across the UK. This has meant our growth has been substantial. We grew over 1,000% in January 2021, and we have maintained a steady growth month on month since then. We even achieved a record of 644 bookings in the month of March. But before I tell you more about that, a bit of a backstory. This is me 9 years ago, waking up after 13 hours of brain surgery, my third in 3 months, all to remove a life-threatening brain tumor. Defying all the odds, I survived. But suffering with PTSD and survivor's guilt, I needed a new purpose in life. And that's when I began to be contacted by cancer patients seeking advice on what to eat, what to drink, how to exercise, and any other tips to help them through their treatment. I realized I could use my experience, my story, to help in ways others couldn't. And I slowly but surely realized that this is why I had survived. So I quit my job and founded WELD, a health and fitness marketplace that connects people with specialized health professionals and locations, both online and offline. Our mission, to make physical and mental well-being more accessible for everyone, which is something we need now more than ever.
Did you know that only 1 in 5 adults engage in physical activity and around 1 in 6 of us experience a mental health disorder? See, health and fitness and mental well-being is extremely important, but with so much going on in our lives and we're extremely busy all the time, it's becoming increasingly harder to achieve that balance.
It's no wonder that in today's day and age, on-demand marketplace apps have revolutionized our lives. From finding a meal to finding a ride, a room for a night or even a date for a night. Yet when it comes to fitness and wellness, a marketplace worth £5.1 billion in the UK alone, why are we stuck in the past?
WELD helps you keep fit by allowing you to find, manage, book, pay, and communicate for both one-on-one and group classes across both online and offline. Let me show you how it works. You simply select an activity, a location, maybe your local park. Then choose your preferred time and budget, and in seconds you'll be connected with health professionals and locations that match your needs. From here, you can either select a personal one-to-one session, join a health professionals group class, or create your own group class, which is a first, and as is the times, join a live streaming group session. Prenatal Pilates in the park, HIIT session at home, occupational therapy at your office. You can do it all with WELD. You choose the date and time from over 110 different specializations. WELD provides the ultimate in convenience, flexibility, and affordability. WELD isn't just great for users, it's great for health professionals and small business owners too. Just hear it for yourself.
It's sort of more of a community and they care about the instructors as well and giving back into the app. It's really affordable for people and there's just so much choice.
One of the biggest challenges of owning your own space in the gym world is that people tend to, en masse, train at peak times. What WELD does is give you the opportunity to fill in those gaps.
In 2019, we launched our beta app into the UK market. And within a matter of months, and with no marketing, we grew our community to over 500 members, all through word of mouth. One of our first members was Jenny Rivet, fitness instructor to the stars with over 40 years of experience, as well as Princess Diana's personal trainer for 7 years, and now one of WELD's trusted advisors.
It's absolutely incredible how the industry has changed over the years. In the early 90s, basically what we were doing in those days was having aerobics classes where we were all wearing thongs and flesh-colored tights and leg warmers, but how it's changed to now bringing in this platform where people can literally go onto the app and book a trainer and a venue. It's just absolutely surreal for somebody like me and just completely wonderful.
We've already made a splash in the press, and now we're turning heads in the investor community too, with over £420,000 raised to date across angel and crowdfunding investment, including our last raise in 2020 of £150,000.
One of the first things that attracted me to WELD was actually Brad himself. When I look at him and his entrepreneurial abilities and his network of entrepreneurial people around him, that further kind of cements my thinking around why WELD is a business I'd like to back. Another thing I think is important to realize with WELD is the revenue creation opportunity is far greater than just limited to people who are interested in health and fitness. And that comes in through the property angle and offering that WELD offers. This is a difficult time for not just investors everywhere, but everybody having to move to a full working from home model, if of course you can do that. When you compare it to your high street gyms or other technology businesses, WELD definitely has a head start with respect to that. And it's still at that early stage where improving on development is still easily done.
So, what are we doing differently this time? Following our raise, we aim to scale up the team once again, investing in marketing to grow our community in the UK and beyond, and focusing on some key product features like on-demand and subscription services, as well as e-commerce to power us into the next phase of growth. But first, and most importantly, we will be here, supporting our health professional community get back on their feet as we ease out of lockdown, and providing our incredible WELD community with convenient, affordable, and flexible access to maintain their mental and physical health. As we're a community, I've asked some of our friends to provide a recap of some of the highlights. Take it away, guys.
WELD is the UK's first and only health and fitness marketplace app.
We connect you directly with specialist health professionals.
Wherever, whenever, and however you like.
WELD fills a gap in the fitness and wellness market with £5.1 billion in the UK alone.
Catering to the new on-demand generation.
We would really love for you to be part of this next phase in our journey. At WELD, we sweat the small stuff so our users can sweat when it counts. Join our growing community today and help us on our mission to make health and well-being more accessible and more affordable for everyone.